Oh, yep, good one. Oh, he's bricked me on something. Oh, you can see him over there, the line's caught. I'm gonna do well to get him out, I think. Oh no. I'm gonna do well to get this fish out. Oh, I've got him out. I've got him out. He's a thumper. Dead set thumper. Oh, yes. Oh, awesome. He had the braid dug into the log just after the take. I'm gonna have to get out of here real quick. Just keep the fish up high. Try and get across to that gravel bar if possible. The old one arm paddle across to the gravel bar. See if I can do it. Seek refuge away from the logs, these mid-river logs. Took it hard, sort of in the deep shadows, and then it's obviously wrapped me around some kind of underwater timber, and the braid's probably dug into it, but I've managed to unravel it and get him out. Just trolling him into this gravel bed away from danger, and then we'll have a bit of a look. Awesome strike. Lovely big Clearwater cod. Yes. Nice gravel bar. In here, the safety of this gravel bar looks good. Looks real good. All right. Oh. He's a lovely cod. Awesome cod. Just get the glove on. All right. Lovely Clearwater specimen. On the go. Oh, he's a beautiful fish. Absolute cracker. Look at the colours on him. Look at there's the condition of the thing. Absolute condition. Oh, it's probably only 80, but he's an absolute chunk. Dead set chunk of a fish. Oh yeah, that's an absolute cracker. Absolute cracker.